you installed your ceiling dehumidifier and are ready to connect the power cord? It's crucial to follow the proper steps to ensure our ceiling dehumidifier safety and efficient operation. So, let's look at how to connect the power cord and switch in this video. Step 1. Connecting the switch. Get the switch that comes with your ceiling dehumidifier. The controller is usually stored inside the air out inlet. Once you have found it, you need to connect it to the electric box. The length of the switch cable is 6 meters. Step 2. Connecting the power cord. Take the power cord and connect it to the designated position for the fire, neutral, and ground wires. Make sure to connect the cable correctly to avoid any potential electric hazards. Once you have successfully connected the power cord and switch, you can turn on your ceiling dehumidifier and enjoy the benefits of a drier and more comfortable environment. Remember, it's essential to have the engineers handle the installation work, and a professional electrician connects the ceiling dehumidifier wires. Please don't attempt to do it yourself. I'm Cloud from Get Your Air. Thank you for watching.